I haven't seen her in a minute.
How? Gana vanga. Hayi boss, ahlukana 2 years ago ngani. Because of lento yami nawe ngani.
Wena noleradio. You guys come a long way. Unesiqiniseko sokuthi ufuna ukumshiya. Are you sure?
I'm 100% sure.
Bafo, lalela mfowethu. Yabona precious ingane encane bafo. Bafo hlukana phansi nalengane.
Don't compare my men with schoolboys. And Habe, Tawang is not as bad as you paint him out to be.
You want to tell me when would you rather have sex with my school boys instead of me?
That's not what I said.
That's what you're trying to say with me.
I'm trying to say, the whole give me a trick. Gonna go to varsity, then get a proper job. Then after, we'll have sex.
Ash, the best man fana kama nabe. Yeah, na halfway so kama hoodies.
Mbona sikumele makia yami yabo.
Yebo wena sula ngishofuna ikhiya zakho all of a sudden.
Ngithi ngeke. Ufuna nje into the simplest thing. Dayile. Baby, I'm coming. Wait, all of us uvumbuke nje.
Ukuthi uyangila. Cha ngicela ungakhohlwa ukuthi rent ngiyakhokha la ekhaya. La ngini, irent ngiyakhokha, ungakhohlwa lokho ngiyacela.
Ingena ufuna nje ngenza wale.
Emnyango ngiphuma futhi
No, make a simple thing ngifonele baby ungitshela ukuthi uyinda. Simple. Oh, phela ungitselela lo. Ungitselele. Baby. Ngiyathuthi ngicela umuntu lapha. Usirato wami manje ngokunono matokono. Bengicela ungiboleke imoto. Ngifuna ukugijima nje njengesa.
Uyabona ki? Uyafuna manje?
Ngithi ngeke ukusipho ngithatha something ngiyabuya dalwa. Ngokunono nawo.
Ngiyabona kulomfana washo imoto. Okay. Ngithatha ngiyatshela ukuthi angiyithande lento ukuthatha imoto uhambe lapha ekusipho ngoba ngiyazi ngizophuza utshwala ngemoto yami ujwayele futhi ngemoto yami ngiyithande le nto kade ngiyatshela ngayo.
Dalwa.
Iyangicika ngempela iyangicika nje ngiyithanda sisi le nto ukuthi usheshe ubuye futhi.
Ngangurayini.
Ngicela usheshe ubuye.
Bambi. Wena urayini.
Hayi ngithanda sisi.
More than mina ngiyabuya nyala. I'm coming back.
Ngicela usheshe ubuye.
Ngoba stressed up. I'll make it up to you.
Ngiqinisile njalo uThabani.
Ngitsanza mina.
Hawu.
Ngiyabuya sa.
Sidlala ngami.
Shapeli ne?
Ngicela usheshe ubuye.
Namhlanje saseyiyoleta. The best man fana kama manabele. Hey wamjana ya style. Girls da shake it ya reverse. Ekaw. Phela la leka tuwa utela. Faki mali fana kitu sobona. I got a style short and think of strong gas. Twala mina na mix twala wena boss. I got a style short and think of strong gas. Twala mina na mix twala wena clever. I got a style short and think of strong gas. Twala mina na mix twala wena boss. I got a style short and think of strong gas. Twala mina na mix twala wena clever. Baba chai faban, baba pusa ban. Hey wamjana ya style. Labo tala la kayo na balosa. Hey wamjana ya style. Sugalika ya kama malamule. Wamjana ya style. Sugalika kama hulisi. Baba chai faban, baba pusa ban. Hey wamjana ya style. Labo tala la kayo na balosa. Hey wamjana ya style. Sugalika kama malamule. Hey wamjana ya style. Sugalika kama hulisi. I got a style short and think of strong gas. Twala mina na mix twala wena boss. I got a style short and think of strong gas. Twala mina na mix twala wena clever. I got a style short and think of strong gas. Twala mina na mix twala wena boss. I got a style short and think of strong gas. Twala mina na mix twala wena from 2010 lokum batwala. Na namhlanje saseyiyolenta. The best man fan.
Sabona ma?
Mkhonyana dumela.
Hayi right.
Hlemanya nka mkhonyana lo dula ka mereng.
A go lekile mentlha.
Precious. I'm sorry, sorry. Ake wa tswana disho. Ke botho.
Bona nne se se sensual. Hai se setse e ha ke letsa jwalo.
Hai ka letsa jwalo. Letsa.
Ladies,
sebetsa manana, sebetsa.
What are you still doing here, Wayne? Wayne, just answer the question, man. How? Wayne, man, there are some things I've not been doing, so we'll tell you later.
Sure. This is the perfect time.
Sure.
You do the right thing.
Sure, Wayne.
Right thing, yan. Perfect time, yan. Group man, Belen.
Wayne, I'm joining you.
Sure. Then got to yourself now. Talk about that exactly.
I'm pregnant.
Hey, hold it up. So you spent the whole day lying here just to tell me when you're pregnant. Hey, go and tell the baby's father.
No, like this is your child.
Gerard, wait, Gerard. Yeah, don't say son. I think it's time to make us look at.
Just because now that I am pregnant, you don't
hey, Mematan, I'm going to meet.
If you don't want to be a part of my child's life, that's okay. Then it's forced. Then I'm going to sell me.
That's do yourself a favor, man, and get out of my house.
You can
get out.
Get out.
Away. Get out.
Don't push me. Don't push me.
Get out. Get out. Get out.
Stop! You have to think. You can push me all you fucking want. You fucking fucking way. Shit.
Okay, I understand you are in matric. You still have to go to university. But hey, we've been there for you since day one. Get anything in the refuna. I'm spoiled. Everything in the refuna. We think that's a queen. Gotta oh friend, don't tell the parents I must wait. Wait until when? Wait until when?
But baby, so the Dumelan got the way in all of her children, okay?
They are to pull me. Must have pains of will and me. Because I'll understand. I've not told her now, and our full was no spoil. But now I'm trying to needs all the times.
I still can't, like, I'm not ready.
You know what, Precious? I'm going to put my hand on you to do it. Please.
Yeah.
Precious, get out.
No.
Precious. Mind. Get out.
No.
Precious, get out. Get. You know what, Precious? I'm from Pumahambi. Don't Madam Bier, I'm from the toilet in America.
Sikhuleke, sikhuse